Hi, in front of me is Lenovo Tab E7 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, go into menu and click on calendar. Over here you need to pick a date, for example that one, click on it and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Choose event. Over here you can customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, add location, people, and even add starting and ending hour. When you're done, click on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you want to delete it, you can always click on it, tap at the three dots at the top right corner, select delete, and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!